Hey guys, most likely you know about Oukitel company because it produces very good rugged smartphones. We already posted videos about Oukitel mobile devices on our channel, Tech Brothers. However, recently the Chinese manufacturer announced the new rugged tablet. It is the second tablet from Oukitel, but the first one with rugged design. The new tablet is called Oukitel RT1. Actually, it has some other features expect a rugged design. Let's talk about them. You know, the main feature of Oukitel RT1 tablet is rugged design, so let's talk a little about it. The new tablet has IP68 and IP69K rating, so it is waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. I have already tested many rugged smartphones, but I didn't have a rugged tablet. I am very interested in testing the new Oukitel tablet. I will try to get it for unboxing and full review. I like the design of the rear panel. The tablet looks very impressive, do you agree? We know that Oukitel RT1 has fingerprint reader, SIM slot with 4G LTE support, microSD memory card slot and USB Type-C charging port. By the way, the new tablet will be available in two color options, gray and orange. So far, that's all we know about design of Oukitel RT1. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 10.1 inches and Full HD resolution 1200 by 1920 pixels. You know, the new tablet from Oukitel looked very good until I saw the processor. Unfortunately, it is only Helio P22. This chipset was released in 2018, and I don't understand why the Chinese manufacturer still uses it in 2021. However, many people buy tablets not for gaming, but for watching videos. Oukitel RT1 will not have any problems with that. There is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Since the tablet is rugged, it can also be used for hiking. By the way, the official slogan of Oukitel RT1 is coming for cross-country life. You know, it is important to have a good camera when traveling. The new tablet is equipped with 16 megapixels front and 16 megapixels rear cameras. We don't have real sample photos yet, but I think it is enough to take quick photos and send your friends. Finally, let's talk about battery. Oukitel RT1 has a big 10,000 mAh battery. I think it is the second feature of this tablet after rugged design. The battery life should be very good. You know, Oukitel RT1 tablet is announced but not released yet. The world premiere of the new rugged tablet is November 25th. There's already a product page on ALIEXPRESS, so we know the price of the tablet. It will be $239. Do you think it is a good deal? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.